Hi everyone, in this video we want to find the area of the shaded region, and it is given to us that the area of the unshaded region, which is this place, is 47 square centimeters. So since the shaded region is a square, it means that BC is equal to CD. So BC equal to CD, and let it be x. So I can say this place is x and this place is x. So our AC is the summation of AB plus BC. AC equal to AB plus BC. That means AC equal to 5 plus x. Also, our CE equal to CD plus DE. That means CE equal to x plus 3. Now let us find the area of the whole rectangle. So area of rectangle A equal to AC multiplied by CE. That means A equal to 5 plus x, everything into bracket, and x plus 3, everything into bracket. So let us expand it. A, which is the area of the whole rectangle, equal to 5 times x, we have 5x. 5 multiplied by 3, we have 15. X multiplied by x, we have x squared. X multiplied by 3 plus 3x. So the area of the whole rectangle will now be x squared plus 5x plus 3x, we have 8x plus 15. Let's find the area of the square, which is BC multiplied by CD, and let us denote it by A sub x equal to, which will be x times x, x multiplied by x. Area of our square equal to x squared, and the area of our rectangle will be the summation of the area of the shaded region and the unshaded region. So area of our rectangle, which is A, equal to A sub x, area of our square, plus 47 plus 47, area of unshaded region. So our A is this. So x squared plus 8x plus 15 equal to our A sub x, which is the area of our square, is x squared. X squared plus 47. Let us bring x squared and 15 to the right hand side, and the positive sign will change to negative sign. So we are going to have 8x equal to x squared minus x squared plus 47 minus 15. So 8x equal to x squared minus x squared will give us 0. 47 minus 15 will give us 32. So let us divide both sides by 8 over 8 over 8. So x equal to 4. Now the formula for the area of our square is x raised to power 2. So a sub s equal to x raised to power 2. So let us substitute the value of x into this equation. A sub s equal to 4 raised to power 2, which is equal to 16 square centimeters. So the area of the shaded square is this. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.